Before his condition began, Ron lived an easygoing life with his wife, Sue.
Have a good day.
Recently, he had started his own business.
I was just working on growing my business.
Okay, good as new. That gives you any more problems, you let me know.
And then,
Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am.
it started gradually.
It's $60.
I would be able to control it, you know, when I was at the customer's house. And then when I went outside to the truck, I'd just belch and belch and belch until I got the pressure off of me.
Jeez.
It seemed crazy.
Ron's belching gets more frequent.
I'm sorry, babe. I can't help it.
I belched for maybe 20, 30 minutes. Then I would not belch for maybe an hour, and then it'd start up again. I couldn't sleep.
At least one of us should sleep.
You know, go out on the front porch.
Shut up!
And wake my neighbors up.
After a series of tests, his doctor has ruled out a bowel obstruction and suggests it's all in Ron's head.
Stop thinking about it so much.
I mean, come on, give me a break. You can't eat. You can't sleep. What are you supposed to do, you know?
Ron has been belching nonstop for months.
No one has been able to figure out what is wrong with me.
After going to dozens of doctors, the one cure that seemed to work just stopped working,
The belching had come back with a vengeance.
leaving Ron so desperate he wants to kill himself.
Can I walk out in front of one of these cars to just end it all?
When his wife Sue finds out what's going on, she panics and calls 911.
They brought me to the emergency room. They looked over my records. They said, there's nothing we can do for you.
Ron's case is assigned to mental health counselor Lisa Gusson.
Right this way?
Her questions open up a deep reservoir of pent-up anxiety.
He just fit every criteria for anxiety and depression. He fit it to the T.
She diagnoses Ron with a rare form of generalized anxiety disorder combined with clinical depression.
Anxiety stimulates the brain in a certain area, and that's the way that your body reacts to it.
Even though he appeared to be laid back, his brain and nervous system were hypersensitive to anything that might cause anxiety. His body released this anxiety in a highly unusual way, by belching, which only made the anxiety worse. All this was exacerbated by depression.
Major depression and anxiety are two totally different mental illnesses. However, they do go hand in hand, because if you're prone to have major depression, anxiety will spur that on due to how it affects your life.
She prescribes an antidepressant, which will also help with his anxiety.
Bring this to your doctor.
Man, it's quiet over here.
Yep.
Lo and behold, a month later, I wasn't belching anymore.